紅茶紅茶 is mean black tea. The last moment we have ocha, right? Ocha is mean green tea, or this just say tea. And in here we have kocha. Kocha is mean black tea. So maybe some people like green tea, which mean ocha, but some people like kocha, black tea. And for me, I like ocha. I do like kocha, black tea. For me, black tea is not delicious, and the ocha green tea is delicious. So how do you say I like black tea? Even to say I like black tea in Japanese, you can say like kocha ga suki desu. Kocha ga suki desu, which means I like black tea. If you like tea or green tea, you can say like ocha ga suki desu. Ocha ga suki desu. I like green tea. I don't like black tea. I don't like black tea, which means you can say like kocha ga kirai desu. Kocha ga kirai desu, which means I don't like black tea. Kirai is mean dislike or don't like. So you can say in the question like kocha ga suki desu ka? Kocha ga suki desu ka? Which means do you like black tea? Ocha ga suki desu ka? Ocha ga suki desu ka? Do you like green tea? So these